I'm an instructor in photography, and I have great difficulty with conscience because I don't believe anything can be taught. Now, just have this as a reference. There's a tab that you push in. So push this in and hold this together like this. And this lets you pull this out.
Okay.
And then push this down until this pops out.
That black ring?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then pull the black ring. And that lets you pull out these septums.
Okay.
And we're in the dark now. And we're going to get our film. Let me just get a sheet of film now. We're going to open up our box, and there's actually, when you take off this lid, there's another box. There's actually 3 halves of this box. And inside, there'll be a black plastic bag with film in it. And you want to feel on the edge of the film for these notches. And the film goes in like this. So where this gap is where you want to feel a notch.
Okay.
So you'll do 6 of them like that. And you'll have them all loaded, and all the notches are all in one orientation. And then you come back to the holder, and the notches end goes in here. Put it in as far as it'll go. Push them out like that. Push them down like that. And then push this down. And push the black ring to close it up. And then push the whole thing in here. And now on the back, turn that wheel to number 1.
Okay.
And this is ready to go.
Okay.
All right, so why don't you go